Hello and welcome to Videojug. This is a really lovely recipe for baked chicken thighs. It's simple to do, feeds 6 people and makes a deliciously succulent meal in no time. In a bowl, mix together the breadcrumbs, cheese, ginger, parsley and basil, Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper. Melt the butter over a medium heat. Make sure that the butter does not burn. Remove the pan and stir in the mixture. Coat the chicken thighs in the mixture, making sure you get all sides covered. In an oven-proof dish, line the chicken thighs, making sure they don't overlap each other. Add your delicious breadcrumb and cheese mix and you're ready for the final step. And bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade until cooked and well browned.